I think it's an interesting topic because it deals with the drug development and the development of new drugs in targeted therapy in a new field, which is the field of germ-cell tumors. We basically we presented the results of the early results of the phase 2 study, which is ongoing with Brentuximab vedotin, which is an antibody drug conjugate targeting CD30 in CD30 positive patients, CD30 positive germ-cell tumors, mainly embryonal carcinoma. We presented data from 9 patients who represented the first stage of the study, which is a phase 2 study, which is a 2-stage phase 2 study. And interesting signal of responses based on the marker decline in almost all patients, and resist responses in 2 of these out of these 9 patients were observed. So it's clear a signal of activity of this drug, which was quite tolerated on the other side. And this is of course is a signal that warrants further investigation for the conclusion of the study, and probably further investigation with this drug in this disease. Probably in other settings we are treating patients who are very highly pretreated with chemotherapy, with high-dose chemotherapy, and probably the challenge in the next future will be to define a better disease setting, a better clinical setting, probably in an earlier disease phase for these patients. In this setting, the challenge for the new targeted therapies are mainly based on the few numbers, the small numbers that we are dealing with. Small numbers, testis cancer is a rare disease, so developing new drugs in this disease is very, very difficult. But in terms of the life of years lost, of active life lost in testis cancer, it ranges up to the first places among the solid tumors. So it's important, in my view, to develop new drugs in the few patients who heal the refractory disease, who are not being cured with chemotherapy, with conventional chemotherapy.